Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, you guys. It's 8 o'clock. I'm here waiting for my first order, and I am ready for today as well, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm ready for the whole entire week. The whole week, I'm going to work from 8 to 6 full time. I am back fully working full time unless emergency comes up. So I just received an order. Let me go check it out, y'all. Let me go check it out. Just received $18 for 11 miles, 3 drop off. That's a decline. That's not a good order, but there are a lot of miles and low pay. So let's wait for another one. It's 8:33 right now, and I just received $26 for 14 miles, 3 customer drop off. But I did not take that order, y'all. I feel like the miles are a lot of them. It's a lot of miles for $26. It's 8:40 right now. I just received an order. Good order. $21, and it's going 6.8 miles, and it's 3 drop off. So let's wait for our pickup time, 8:50. So we have 10 minutes to wait for this order, y'all, to start this order. So let's wait. Yo, she's done loading everything in my car. So right now it's time to go drop off our first drop off, and it's only 5 minutes from here. Only 5 minutes off from here. Yo, I am so tired for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I am so tired. But going to be here. Come on. We're gonna work for that whole entire day. I hope they keep me busy, because if they don't, I'm asleep. You know, I'm gonna fall asleep. This is our first item here. Our first drop off. See, I told y'all I'm sleepy. I'm going on C. Which one is C? That's B. This one. Let's drop off our last drop off. Alright, thank you. Yo, it's 10:53 right now. 10:53, still waiting. Oops. Still waiting for my second order. They're dropping orders, but bad orders. They keep sending the same order that we're declining. So it's that slow. Just received an order, $11, going 2.5 miles, and I'm shopping for 6 items. So let's get my first item. This is my first item. Let's go to the next one. You want 5 of this. Ooh. Almost forgot the leads. what I have for $11, y'all. $15.79. So, is this the door? Like, which building is it? Yo, I have no idea. Let me just go over there. Because that's the only door that I see. That's the other door. I just received another order, you guys. $19 for 4.7 miles and it's 3 customer drop off. So it's about time for them to bring it out. So let's sit here and wait for them. Looking for my sanitizer. Oh, let's see. Looking for this. I'm about to eat. It's 1 p.m. y'all. 1 p.m. I'm about to do my third order. I'm about to do my third order, you guys. Crazy. Super, super crazy today. I waited for an order for, I think, almost 3 hours. It was almost 3 hours without no order. Just received $36 for 13 miles. 13 miles, you guys. It's too far, but it's alright. It's been slow, so let's jump on this order. And it's 3 customer drop off, so just waiting for the pickup time, and so we can go drop this order off. $36 for 13 miles. Yo, she's done loading everything in my car. If I tell you, all the orders are big orders. This is the back one, and the trunk one. It's a lot. Look at this. I got so much things to do. Big orders. All right, let's go. You guys, after seeing this order, like, I wish this can be my last order. Something about to fall. It's just a lot. And I can't even use my thing. Alright, we got this. Let's go. The second drop off here. I have that one over there. Let's go delivery. Alright, my last drop off. I told you guys, all the order was the big orders. Okay, let me put it in there. Just received another order, $15, and it's going 1.2 miles. It's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 14 items plus the pharmacy order. So we're going to pharmacy to pick up a medicine, and next we're going shopping. So let's go. I'm done picking up my pharmacy, so now let's go shop. 5:30 right now. Just received my last order. $23 is going 6.8 mile, and with a 3 customer drop out. Hold on, guys. They just canceled. They canceled my order. Let me go check. Well, they just canceled it, but they just gave it to me back, and I took it. So I don't know why they canceled it in the first place. I don't know, but I took it back. So let's just wait for the pickup time. And now after a few minutes, they just canceled that same order again, and they tried to give it to me back, but I didn't take it this time. I'm not gonna take it because I think something wrong with that order. Keep popping up, so I'm gonna stay away from that order. So let's wait for this last order. I hope it's gonna be shopping order with the what was that? I hope it's gonna be a good order. My last good order. I'm waiting for it. So yeah, let me wait for this last order. I just got my last order. $27, you guys. $27 going 3.7 mile. It's a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 23 items. So that's a good order. So let's go in quick, shop, and go about our day. Alright, I need to get 6 of this water. Let me make some space here. I need 6 of them. We have 10 more to go, y'all. 10 more to go. Let's go deliver. Ooh. Let me take my thing. Yo, I lost one leg. I don't know what it is. Maybe it fell over there. I'm not about to do all that. Let me just carry them. It said to ring the doorbell. Alright. For some reason, I'm tired. Sure. From here, I have like 2 minutes to get to my house. Only 2 minutes. Yeah, it's 5:30 right now, and this is the end of my video. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm going straight home. I told you guys I want to lose weight so bad. So after work, I go straight to do my exercise, walking. That's what I'll be doing for 1 hour. So get home and go straight to walking in my neighborhood. My neighborhood is so safe to take a walk. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So you guys, I work 9 hours. No, 8 hours. 8 hours, and I made it 131. Not bad, not too bad. But you know my goal is 200 daily. But 131 is not too bad at all. I'm thankful. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.